Like tinola. Shh, flash already. Higop ng sabaw. It's easy peasy. Pwedeng gumamit ng sayote or papaya. Pwede. Para matanggal yung dumi. Para matigas sa pagkain. Ouch. Oh. Rap. It's easy. Maganda yung sayote kasi bata pa siya. Masarap din yung itong sayote, haluan mo ng kalabasa, tapos haluan mo manok, igisa mo, parang i-adobo mo, kumbaga masarap yun. Tara, magluto na tayo. ikuskus yung bakal na mga nasa kawali yung mga bakal na mga sandok. Ganyan lang. Maganda kasi yung sandok na kawayan. Smells good?
I'm hungry.
Okay, just wait a little bit. You're hungry, chicken. It's almost cooked.
That's what I'm gonna eat.
Yes,
Smell it. I know it's that, but I like to smell it.
you like the smell? Okay. Just wait a little bit. We're going to ready to.
It's a lucky soup. I like this. I am a chicken. How can I not chicken?
Oh, if I'm a chicken, maybe you ate me already. Keep trying. Brown sugar lang. Huwag tayong gumamit na seasoning para malaya kang humigop na sabaw. Paminta powder. More. Oh, stop na. Chili powder. Add some. Little bit. Okay. What?
The sky is colored.
Covered
Colored
with
pink. I said color.
color pink?
Yes.
Maybe it's going to rain when the sky is, especially at night time, when it's color a bit orange. If there's no sunset now, it's going to rain. That's how can you can predict if it's going to rain. And trying keep trying, keep tanggalin ko yung kunti-kunting oil para hindi siya mag-oily sa bibig. Pero at least healthy yung ginamit ko na oil dito. BCO. Tanggalin ko lang kay para less na rin yung oil talaga. Better healthy. When you eat, it should be healthy. Hindi lang kung ano-ano lang yung ginasubo sa bunganga na hindi man healthy. Let's try the face. Kung tama yung timpla. Ah, sakto. Sayang, wala akong saging na saba. Masarap to may saba. Or pwede rin haluan ng ano, kung meron kayong buko, masarap din. Yan. Tinula sa buko. May buko. Wow, ito na. Oh, that's all the time. Let's say what to say. Ayan, lagyan pa natin ng yan, lagyan natin ng chili. Sarap to. Tama lang talaga ang timpla. Wow. Yan, kanin na lang ang kulang. Yan, higop na tayo. Well, mainit pa. Yan, higopin mabuti ito sa mga yung, lalo na yung mga kulang sa sustansya. Yung may mga problema sa tiyan, kasama ng lugaw, masarap to. Yan, o may mga kulang sa nutrisyon. Sarap talaga kahit wala, sarap na humigop ng sabaw ng tinola. Pwedeng malunggay or anything na down, ihalo. Ganyan. Resourceful naman tayong mga Pinoy. So, enjoy!